Long ago, the world became full of evil. People forgot about God.
But there was one man who still obeyed him. His name was Noah. God told Noah, "Build an ark." Even when others laughed at him, Noah obeyed God and started building.
People didn't believe him. They laughed and made fun of Noah.
Two by two they came, majestic and calm.
Welcome, my friends. Come in peace. And then, the rain began.
For 40 days and nights, water covered the whole earth. But God remembered Noah, and the rain finally stopped. God placed a rainbow in the sky as a promise, and that promise still reminds us today. God never forgets those who obey him.